part of the presentation from the budget from the minister said our economy needs to grow to create employment. Chairperson, it is my view that it should be the other way around instead. We should create employment, or we should create jobs to achieve economic growth. Because really, how do you then achieve economic growth if people are sitting at home? If people are not working, how does then that contributes to economic growth? Really, because if you have if you have low GDP, then you have low taxes. And if you have low taxes, then you have less money for expenditure. Then if you have less for expenditure, then you have less development. So I'm definitely of the view that it should be the other way around, that we create employment that will contribute to economic growth. And this is supported by the NDP proposals that by 2030, we want to create 11 million jobs. By 2030, we want to decrease the inequality to a Gini coefficient of 0.6. By 2030, we want to decrease the unemployment percentage to 0.6. But we are in 2025 with unemployment rate at over 40%. And then the question is, how then the department works around this 1.4 economic growth this year? If you look at the past 10 years, we could not even achieve the economic growth targets for the past 10 years. You couldn't achieve it. Then if you can take this country into confidence as to how are you going to achieve this 1.4%, if in the past 10 years you couldn't, because at least we have the past to look at so that we know what would happen in the future. So if we look at the past, you couldn't achieve the economic growth percentage that you've set yourself. Then how are you going to achieve this one? And what is even more fascinating about this whole process is that on the 12th of March, the minister presented a growth projection of 1.9. And then on the 21st of May, the minister presented a growth percentage of 1.4. Then what happened with this was 0.5 change. How did it happen in this short space of time? What happened there? If you can take us into confidence, what happened? What contributed to this change in such a short space of time? Or are we sitting with a situation where we are going to have projections that are going to be shared with this committee that we know definitely are never going to be achieved, like the past 12 or 10 years? So maybe as I close, I want to quote this one. John Maynard Keynes, he once said, look after employment and the budget will look after itself. So if this economy or if this budget can look after employment, the rest will be covered. But not particularly only employment and other components that contribute to economic growth, but particularly this one. People are sitting at home and they're listening to all these big terms, all these big words, but they never come to realization because people are sitting at home. People are not working. Thank you.